Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I show you how I made beautiful faux metal wall art using these wall tiles that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. I'm starting off with insulation foam board that I already had at home. I added a piece of foam board to the back of my first wall tile, and then I used an X-Acto knife to cut away the excess. I repeated those steps for all 11 tiles. Next, I covered my foam board with bling ribbon. Of course, Dollar Tree sells bling ribbon, but for this project, it made more sense to purchase the ribbon in bulk. Once the bling ribbon was added to all 11 of my tiles, it was then time to begin designing my wall art. Once I arranged my first 7 wall tiles, I then used generous amounts of well bond glue to attach my 4 remaining tiles on top. Once I was done arranging my tiles, I had something that looked like this. I then added these 1-inch round mirrors that I picked up from Michael's. I then allowed my design to dry for a complete 24 hours. To add just a bit more sparkle to my design, I'm adding these Dollar Tree gemstone stickers as well. And here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. To see another wall decor idea using these same Dollar Tree wall tiles, be sure to click the iCard above. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, Dazzlers, bye!